Hi guys, I'm Maria from Crochet Fashion and welcome to my channel. And today you will see how to crochet cute project. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and 2 balls of yarn. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Continue. Let's crochet the first round. Make a chain and work into the ring. Make 12 single crochet. While making my single crochet stitches, I remove a long piece of yarn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have done 12 single crochet. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet the second round. Make a chain, work into the same stitch, make single crochet. It is going to be a round of 3 chain spaces. Chain of 3 and single crochet through the next stitch. Chain of 3 and single crochet through the next stitch. Chain of 3 and single crochet through the next stitch. Chain of 3 and single crochet through the next stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 12 of them. Instead of the 12th chain space, I did make a chain and half double crochet into the single crochet in this row. My chain space is ready. Let's crochet round 3, chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Instead of first double crochet, then chain of 3 for the chain space and double crochet into the chain space. Chain of 3 and double crochet into the chain space. Chain of 3 and double crochet into the chain space. Continue with your own. I'm about to complete round 3. In this case I will join a new color of yarn. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch on the beginning of this round, and I already took another color of yarn and grab the new color of yarn, pull it through. I already cut off my old color of yarn. My round is ready. Here how it looks. I continue working on my flower. It is going to be a round of petals. Make a chain, 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert the hook into the next stitch. This is the double crochet. Make a slip stitch. My chain space for the petal is ready. Chain of 2 and turn the work. Work into the chain space, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet. Make 5 double crochet with picot. And picot, chain of 3 and work with the slip stitch into the loops of the double crochet. The picot is ready. Double crochet, chain of 3 and work with slip stitch. In total it should be 5 of them. This is the third one. The fourth one. and 5. Well done. Turn the work to the front side. Work with this stitch. In this case I will work with chains, but next time you will work with double crochet stitches. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the chain. Make 4 double crochet with picot. 1, 2, and picot. 3, and picot, and 4, and picot. Well done. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the double crochet. Make a slip stitch and pull it. My cute floral petal is ready. This petal made in 3D technique. Here how it looks. Let's start the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert the hook into the double crochet, make a slip stitch. 1, 2. Turn the work into the chain space. Make 5 double crochet with picot. 1, 2, 3, and picot. 4, and picot, and 5, and picot. Well done. Turn the work into the chain space. Work around the double crochet. Make 4 double crochet with picot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the double crochet, make a slip stitch. I have done 2 petals. Here how they look like. This is 3D petals. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. Let's complete this round with me. I just need to do 1 more petal. Once I have done the last chain space, insert the hook into the chain stitch that I completed the previous round into. Make a slip stitch, then chain of 2, and continue working in the same way as I showed you before. Make double crochet 5 times with picot. Then I will show you how to complete my flower. So let's complete my petal and round. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. That's it, I have already cut off my yarn. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I just need to straighten up my petals and turn it to the back side and remove long piece of yarn along the stitches. So that's it, my cute project is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. For example, I have done exact flower but used 2 colors of yarn. Here how it looks. You can use it like a decoration, or it could be a part of big project like a lace. Also, you can use it in freeform technique. For this project, you just need to get a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. And of course, your skills. Don't forget to subscribe to my Facebook. And if you are not subscriber of this channel, please subscribe on it. And write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. See you next time and bye!